So I got this in the Flipkart sale during the big Diwali sale. After all discounts and whatever offers were running in Flipkart, I got this for 54,000, which is a very good price for this laptop. So let's quickly unbox this and see what we get in the box. So this is the GF63 thin 9SCR variant. Okay, this the MRP states here as I don't know if you guys can see. Let me just zoom in. 83,990 is the MRP, but I got it for 54,000. .5 watt, like a fast charger, almost 20 volts. And this is the pin, how it looks like. This is the charger. The wire is pretty long for all your needs. Okay, so we have some paperwork and some accessories here. So let's take a look what these are. So you have this manual which can guide you on how the hotkeys, the shortcuts, everything work. So you have various languages. I'm not going to read about this. So it will just tell you what are the different shortcuts and stuff you can do. And this is a quick start guide again, which will tell you how to quickly set up your laptop, or how to connect them, charger, what are the buttons, etc. So I'm not going to read about this also. So this is an important accessory. Please don't lose this. So what this is the laptop comes with a 512 GB SSD and there's no memory card slot. So you need to use some external memory card reader in case you want to copy some photos and stuff from your camera. But what this is basically, if you run out of your 512 GB of SSD storage, since it doesn't come with a hard drive, you can use this. And you can purchase a hard drive. I'll leave some links on the compatible hard drives also. It costs about 3,000 rupees for, I think, 1 terabyte or 512 GB. I'm not exactly sure. I'll leave some Amazon links. So you can purchase those hard drives, and then you have a slot in the laptop where you can actually put the hard drive, and this goes in the back side of the hard drive to secure our hard drive. So it's not that you are always stuck with a 512 GB SSD. You don't have to worry about that. So you can buy external hard drives and you can connect them later, but this is required for this connecting that to hold your hard disk. Don't lose this. So you get this small note from MSI which says that check your laptop, that there is no damage, and check the Windows software and all the MSI proprietary software, etc. is working fine. So this is the laptop itself. Let's just zoom in a bit now. Okay, so this is the laptop. It looks very nice. So you have this MSI logo, plastic frame. In the back side you have an HDMI cable, and this is a chamber where your heat goes off. And on this side you get a headphone and a mic, and 2 USB slots, and a USB Type-C, and a Ethernet. And this is the laptop locker, if you have a lock. And on this side again you will find some more heat sinks, another USB slot, so totally 3 USB slots, and a charging point. And on the bottom you have a speaker here and another speaker here, and some nice patterns in the back. This is how the keyboard looks like. It is with red accent. You have a touchpad without any buttons. So there are actually buttons at the bottom, but you don't see it physically on them. So it's a standard US keyboard and it's backlit. I'll power it on and show. And then you have the screen here. Screen is matte finish, so you don't find fingerprints so easily on the screen because of the, I think there is some kind of coating here. And you have a 1 megapixel webcam and MSI logo there. So let's power this on and see what are the features and how it looks. This laptop boots up really quickly. I think it boots up in under 5 or 6 seconds. Just take a look. So you have the MSI logo and you have a red backlit keyboard, and probably it's now 3 or 4 seconds and the laptop is on. I'll just show you again. So I'm just going to shut down. So now the laptop is off and you can see this LED light. Now the backlight keyboard is gone. So let's just try booting it up again, just so that it's not been put into any kind of hibernation or any other sleep mode and stuff. So you see this MSI logo now, and you wait for probably 5 seconds, and it's not even 5 seconds, under 5 seconds. So it's amazingly fast, the boot up. I am very impressed about it. Okay, so once you log in, you will see the default wallpaper of MSI, which looks really nice. And I just want to quickly finish off the keyboard part and then we can zoom into the screen section. So here the keyboard is a single color, which is in red color, but you can control the brightness. I think we have three level brightness, so this is in the maximum. So I have made my environment slightly dark, not completely dark, so there's one tube light running in the back, but just to see how bright this keyboard looks, so that I'll just show you guys. So this is in the maximum brightness. Okay, now I'm in pitch dark environment and you can see the keyboard. It looks really nice and bright. Now let's try changing the brightness and see how it looks in different settings. Here you can see my laptop's configuration. It says i7 9th gen and it has 8 GB of installed RAM. So it comes with 8 GB installed RAM. And if you open the NVIDIA control panel, here you will be able to see that I have 4 GB DDR6. Okay, so it is not a DDR4, it's a DDR6 graphic card, and it is GTX 1650 Ti with Max-Q. There is a MSI software which can control your, it's called Dragon Center, so it can control a couple of things in your laptop. So this is really cool software. And here you have this gaming mode where you can turn this on to get more performance from your laptop when you are actually playing super intensive or hardware required games. And then when you come to user scenario, also you have certain options to control the performance. So here you have this extreme performance and then balanced, silent. So here if you select this, the fan noise will be very low. Super battery will give you a very long battery life. So I have not yet seen how much is the battery life. I will cover it in my next video. And then you have a custom option here where you can choose what type of performance level you want. So you have 4 options here: turbo, high, medium, low. and then you can choose the fan speed. So you can select, like for example, cooler boost, and if you can see, you can hear you can actually listen to the fan. So this is when you select the option cooler boost, it actually turns on your fan in the maximum speed, and it really very quickly cools down your system. So if you're running really intensive games and if your laptop is too hot, you can select this option and then quickly cool down your laptop without issue. And then when you select back auto, after some time it is just going to switch off the fan and go back to what it was doing. It detects based on the temperature of the laptop. Now let's, as a last part of this video, let's just take a look at the audio quality. Okay, so I opened a NCS video. Let's just listen to the audio quality of this laptop. It's really amazing. Just listen. So right now I am on about 68 is the volume level, and the speakers are at the bottom. So you have this nice woofer effect. Let me increase the volume now. So even the bass is also really nice. So you don't require a headphone, and it's stereo effect, so you will be able to clearly distinguish with, even if you're playing games, on which side the footsteps and all those things which are there in the games, you'll be able to identify just by the normal speakers. You actually don't need a headphones. This brings us to the end of the video, and we will definitely do a gaming review in my next video, and anything else which I have missed to cover. So this is just a quick review and an unboxing video of this MSI laptop, which is really amazing. Thank you. Bye.